when growing up, like there was a time like we didn't have food, and I would go and train without eating, and the last meal I would see maybe would be supper. Now I'm going for 3 weeks in Tunisia. Those are futures tournaments, not juniors. And then after that, I have 1 week in the US tournament before the US Open. Yeah.
Any challenges that perhaps you faced before you came in the limelight? Because many people just know the cream. Anything you'd like us to know? Perhaps challenges that came in?
In this world, there's a lot of challenges, but I don't, because even though when I was young, I still had those challenges, but like I don't try to show them or talk about them that much, only when it's needed. And for me, talking about them, it brings back memories, which I don't want to have them, you know. Because now I've tried to like stay positive, even though there are challenges, and to try and just keep my mind focused and believe that anything is possible. And the challenges, just one challenge I would say is when growing up, like there was a time like we didn't have food, and I would go and train without eating, and the last meal I would see maybe would be supper, and maybe that supper would be water, and like I wouldn't show it, but like, I think that has really strengthened me, and that's why I'm strong on court, and that's why when I'm on that court, I know what I want and I go for it. So yeah.
Angela, are you like under pressure to better your performance, especially in the single now that you perform well in the UK?
I mean, there are always challenges and pressures when it comes to tennis. And for me, with pressure, like, yes, I will have pressure, but for me, I'll just go out there and give my best. And whatever comes out, I'll be happy about it. But as long as on that court, I'll give my best, fight for everything, and just play out all I have. And whatever the outcome, I'll be proud of myself. But obviously, yes, I want to come back with a singles title.
GM, perhaps what prompted Vaspro to get behind Angela?
Just there is one unique thing that stands out from her story. One, working with what you have. So Vaspro came in just to amplify her story and help her achieve her dreams. So she has shown how you can work with what you have and build better. So that is our core, or rather, that is what pulled us to her brand. And also, we are working and we are promising her the very best, and we'll have to honor our promise, and also, where possible, we can still come in. So amplifying her story and passing the hope. Yeah.
Angela, who is that one tennis player that you wish to meet?
Serena Williams.
GM, GM, is it sponsorship? And in future, maybe your relationship, partnership with Angela?
Question. Thank you. So this is a very simple appreciation gesture. Like I just said, we are amplifying this story. She's telling her story, and we can only do better by having it amplified further. So it's just an appreciation. Yeah, but more details will be coming to that. Yep. Thank you.
Okay, if we don't have any other questions, once again, Angela, we're proud of you. Within the focus state, we'll do our best to make sure that your story is out there. As you said earlier, tennis might not be given the attention, but you've given us a reason to do that. So we are going to keep tabs on your progress, and of course, each and every one, your sister and the coach. So other than that, guys, I think we're done with our session. And once again, my colleagues from the focus state,
second.
Angela, and we showed